Just researched online, and it says that it's a nickel AD sealed type battery, and the voltage is 7.2 volts. Okay, 7.2 volts. This battery pack's for a Boeing airplane for the exit emergency lights, and I injected voltage in here, and they are 1.5 volts each. So this first battery did take a charge. This one's dead. This one's dead. This one's dead. This one's good. And this one's dead. So only two of these work. The rest are bad. So I'm thinking what I'm going to be doing is I'll just take this out and I'll order a new battery pack to pop in here. And you just make sure it's 7.2 volts and that they're rechargeable and that they can fit inside here. Well, we'll make it work. We'll make it work. So these batteries are about 2.5. I found a battery pack that's about 2 centimeters and 3 inch, so it'll be a little bit smaller, but this is only for emergencies, and it's going to be better than this, what we got here, so we'll order that. So I got the new battery pack right here. Okay, so we're gonna have to cut this off, and then we'll switch. Switch it. So that's taking that out. This fits in here, and let's see if okay. I had to use the Anger iron, the grinder, to grind these things off so that we can attach it in there. And then cut off these. Then we'll strip them. Okay. Then positive will go to this guy right here. Goes to the positive here, and negative. Just like so. Okay. I have it all back together. Let's screw it on this a little bit tighter here. Okay. And then we'll just test it the voltage, make sure everything's good. And you can see the voltage is good there. Wonderful.
So hopefully this has fixed your problem. If it has, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I am an author as well on Amazon. So if you want to support the channel, you can go to amazon.com or .ca and type in my name. It's Benjamin Newson. And I've just recently published a couple books. My very first novel is called Heart of Stone. It's an interesting story about the end times, and this guy's having dreams, and then his dreams become real in a science fiction novel. I also have other book called Unlocking Your Mind about memory tricks for studying techniques, as I'm a teacher, so several years there. And over the Great Wall, I've written about my life experiences 7 years abroad in China. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next repair video.